I am an IT networking and security engineer. I am working in one private bank in Saudi Arabia. I am not involved in interest riba, but I am working in the back end of the bank, which means a network engineer. Am I doing a sin and am I doing a war with Allah by working as a network engineer in a conventional bank? As far as working in a bank for a Muslim is concerned, working in a bank on any position, it is haram. If you're working in a business in which the core activity is haram, then working in that company in any position is prohibited. Since riba is the 12th major sin in Islam, you cannot work in any position, neither as a network engineer, neither as a manager, neither as a clerk, neither as a person on the cashier counter, neither in security. All is prohibited because the core activity is prohibited. Similarly, you cannot work in an alcoholic company in any position. You cannot work as a manager of an alcohol company, you cannot work as a doorman, you cannot work as a driver. All is haram. If you are working in a company in which a small percentage of the activity is haram and you are not directly involved in that activity, then it is permitted. For example, if you are working in a 5-star hotel, and in a 5-star hotel, they serve alcohol in the bar, in the restaurant. So you cannot work in the bar, in the restaurant and serve alcohol, that is prohibited. But surely you can work as a receptionist in the 5-star hotel, because that's permitted. As long as you don't work directly into the haram activity, a small portion, and the income from alcohol in a 5-star hotel is negligible, it's a small percentage. So if you are working in a company in which small percent of the activity is haram, see to it you are not directly involved in that activity, that is permitted. But don't get involved in the activity directly. But if you are working in a company in which the major activity is haram, like working in a bank, conventional bank, which is based on riba, or working in an alcoholic company, these is haram in any position, even as a network engineer.